Hi there. Want to turn your static PDF into a dynamic presentation? Convert it to PowerPoint easily with Foxit PDF Editor. Here's exactly how, step by step. This is a sample PDF. To convert it to PowerPoint, go to the Convert tab. Expand to MS Office. Choose to PowerPoint. Specify the file name, type, and save location. Click Settings to customize the page range, comment, and OCR settings. Click OK, then Save. Foxit instantly converts your PDF into a fully editable PowerPoint presentation. It transforms your static document into slide-by-slide content while preserving the layouts, graphics, and text quality.